Hi everyone. Now in this video I am going to solve the basic problem on thick cylinders. So thick cylinders మీద నేను ఒక basic problem అయితే solve చేయబోతున్నాను. So determine the maximum and minimum hoop stress. Maximum and minimum hoop stress across the section of a pipe of 400 mm internal diameter, 100 mm thick, when the pipe contains a fluid at a pressure of 8 Newton per mm square. Also sketch the radial pressure distribution and hoop stress distribution across the section. So మనల్ని ఏం కనుక్కోమంటున్నాడు, maximum minimum hoop stress values అనే వాటిని find out చేయమంటున్నాడు. Okay, so first write the given data. So what is the given data? So the given data is fluid pipe internal diameter is given. So internal diameter means D1 is the internal dia and that is equals to 400 mm. Then what about the internal radius? R1 is internal radius, so that equals to 200 mm. Then thickness, so the thickness is given 100 mm, so thickness is represented by small t, so that equals to 100 mm. So then what about the external diameter? See, if you see the thick cylinder, so now this is the thick cylinder, so this is internal radius R1 and this one is the external radius R2 and here it is the thickness of the cylinder T. So then what is the relation? R2 equals to R1, from here to here is R1 plus T, right? So therefore external radius R2 equals to R1 plus T. So R1 value is 200 plus T value is 100. So R2 is equals to 300 mm. Then what about the diameter? D2 equals to 600 mm. Okay. And next internal pressure is also given. So that fluid pressure is 8 Newton per mm square. So in the thin cylinder, so the pressure is acting inside the cylinder. So here, so that means at a distance of R1. So at the internal radius, the hoop stress is maximum. So the maximum hoop stress, the internal pressure at the stress is nothing but P0. So that equals to 8 Newton per mm square. Okay, so that is at what place? At x equals to R1. Therefore, what we can write? At x is equals to R1, the value of Px equals to internal pressure P0, that equals to 8 Newton per mm square. Okay, so now let us calculate the hoop stress values, maximum and minimum, and also the radial stresses. So what is the radial stress equation? So radial stress equation Px is equals to B by x square minus A. So now apply the boundary conditions. So what are the boundary conditions? At x is equals to R1, that is at 200 mm, the value of Px is equals to P0, that is 8 Newton per mm square, and at x is equals to R2, so that is 300 mm, then Px is equals to 0. So that means at the outer surface is 0, at the inner surface it is equals to internal pressure, right? So now apply this boundary condition. So first apply the first boundary condition. So Px equals to 8, and that equals to b by what is the value of x? 200 minus a. So what we can write? 200 square. So what we can write? b by 40000 minus a is equals to 8. This is equation number 1. Now apply the second boundary condition. What we get? Px equals to 0. So 0 equals to b by x value is 300. So 300 square minus a. Then what you get? b by 90000 minus a is equals to 0. So this is equation number 2. So now subtract both the equations. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయండి. So if you subtract them, that is 1 minus 2, what you get? 8 minus 0 is equals to b by 40000 minus a. And here if you subtract this one, what you get? Minus b by 90000 plus a. So a will be cancelled. Then what you get? 8 is equals to b by 40000 minus b by 90000. So if you solve this, we will get the value of b as 576000 is the value of b. Now substitute this b value in any one of these two equations. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్లో దేంట్లో ఒక దాంట్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? మనకి a వస్తుంది. So now substitute. So I am substituting in the equation 2. So what we get? 0 is equals to b value 576000 by 90000 minus a. So if you solve that, you will get value of a as 6.4. Okay. So now I got b and a. So now let us calculate the value of hoop stress. So hoop stress is nothing but sigma x. So that equals to, formula is b by x square plus a. So that equals to b value 576000 by x square plus a value is 6.4. So the hoop stress is maximum at the inner radius and minimum at the outer radius. So at inner radius at x equals to r1, that is 200 mm. So the value of stress is sigma at 200 is equals to 576000 by x square. X value is 200 square plus 6.4. So you will get stress value as 20.8 Newton per mm square. So now let us calculate at x is equals to r2. So that equals to 300 mm outer radius. So sigma at 300 is equals to 576000 by 300 square plus 6.4. So you will get that value as 12.8 Newton per mm square. So now let us represent those values. Let us sketch the distributions. So now this is the center of the thickness of the cylinder. So and this one if you take, so this is the inner radius and this one is the outer radius. So inner radius, this is 200 mm and this one is the outer radius 300 mm. So now first let us sketch the radial pressure. So radial pressure at inner radius is nothing but the value is 8. This value is 8 Newton per mm square, and at the outer radius it is equals to 0. So the radial stress varies from 8 to 0. So this is a parabolic curve. And next, this one is radial pressure, and it is parabolic. Okay, next let us sketch the hoop stress. So hoop stress value at x equals to 200. So it is equals to 20.8. So we got it as 20.8. Right, so here the radial pressure is compressive. Okay, and next 20.8 is at the inner radius, and at the outer radius the value is at x equals to 300, 12.8. So here it is equals to 12.8 Newton per mm square. So now this stress is also going to be varying parabolically, right? So this one is hoop stress, that is sigma x. Okay, so like this the stress distribution is taking place across the thickness of the cylinder. So this one is the thickness of the cylinder, right? So like this we need to solve the problems, right? So I hope you understand this one. If you understand this problem, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.